I am super excited to film this video because finally I'm bringing back the fashion and the beauty on my YouTube channel after so many travel videos. I've been getting so many comments in my previous videos and on my Instagram account as well about my personal style or how I wear some pieces in my holidays, and I have decided to put a bit more effort on the fashion side as well. So I put together some outfits for you. I will be doing some styling videos, some lookbooks maybe. I will keep you updated with my recent purchases, styling ideas, wardrobe updates and things like this. I will show you my wardrobe basically. I will start with my first haul ever because I've been doing some online shopping lately. Of course I took advantage of the sales, and today I will show you all these parcels from H&M and Mango, which are two of my all-time favorite high street fashion brands. I have to admit I went a bit crazy for the spring-summer season of 2019, and hopefully you will like my choices. Before I will get into this video, oh, just one sec. Alright, so it looks like the delivery guy just arrived here, so I will unpack this one as well with you. Before I will get into this video, I have to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, if you are passionate about fashion and beauty. Many more fashion and beauty videos are coming next. I will be traveling as well, but in the same time I will be posting this type of videos on my channel. So if you like this, please don't forget to press the red button. Is it straight? So if these boxes weren't enough for you, I just got something else in my P.O. box. So it's a beanie. It's so cool. I love this brand. They have really cool one-piece clothing items. It matches very well with my ski suit. Let's try it on. I feel like my outfit looks cooler all the time when I'm wearing some accessories for hair, caps, beanies, anything, and yeah, I love this. I will leave the link for this one as well in the description box alongside with all the links for my purchases. So let's start with the first purchase, which, to be honest with you, I kind of opened it already yesterday because I already wore two pieces from this haul, but for the sake of the haul and because it's my first haul ever, I put them back here and I will unbox them again with you, but only these two pieces, I promise. Ta-da! So this is a super smart camel trench coat from H&M. I really love how this trench coat looks dressed on because it makes your outfit a bit more smart. This is what I was looking for when I went yesterday at an event. Actually, this is just a dupe for the Burberry one. I'm thinking about that one for already 2 years now. It works very well with any type of outfit you have, so I totally recommend to anyone to buy a trench coat. Trench coats when I got here for the first time. First thing that I've noticed in the UK was the fact that all the ladies were wearing this type of trench coat. I can see them wearing the same type of trench coat anytime, which means it's a timeless investment. So I'm seriously considering to invest in a Burberry coat. Okay, so this was my first piece. The price was pretty reasonable. This is one of the few pieces that wasn't on sale, but the price was around £40 or something like this, so pretty reasonable for a full price for a trench, in my opinion. And the quality of the material is really nice. It is so thick, so we won't have problems with this chilly weather that is in London at the moment. Next, this midi dress. This was another first time for me because I never had a dress in this color or in this length, and I have to admit that I was quite impressed because it looks really flattering on your body. Even if at the first time I didn't want it to give it a chance, but I've seen this one in sales and I said, you know what, everybody's wearing them, let's give them a try. And I really loved how the mid-length trench from H&M matches this dress from H&M as well. I loved the fact that it has long sleeves, so I can wear it during this period of time. I really wanted something with long sleeves, and I love the ruffles details here and in the middle, as you can see. Yeah. So it's really comfortable. These two pieces are really complementing each other, so it's the perfect dress for the beginning of the spring or fall as well. Yeah, happy with these two purchases so far. Oh, I have no idea how to do this faster because I feel like I have too many items to show you. So as I've told you, I have another hat, a baker boy hat. Don't ask me why I keep buying this type of hats. I feel like my looks are looking much better when I wear these type of baker boy hats, and I really wanted something in this color because it's one of the colors of the year, and I do have some more pieces in the blushy pink, but I didn't have a hat that will match them all, so now I have it. It's from H&M and this one wasn't on sale as well, but it's pretty cheap because it's from H&M. I'm sure it will work very well for my outfits during this spring, so yeah, I'm very happy with the hat as well. Next one, another trench, but this one is light blue. This is another color of the year. I was kind of obsessed with the trends, to be honest, and if you want to know which are the trends this year, I will be doing another video very soon about trends, and I will show you examples from my wardrobe for all the trends that are hot right now. This color, it's already very trendy. I'm sure during the summer this will work very well. I was really happy with the material of this blazer. Even if the length is a bit longer than usual, I'm super happy with the material, and I'm sure that it will look awesome when it's gonna be styled. I love this one as well. Oh yeah, when you are buying from sales, try to invest more in the basic pieces and in the statement pieces, and that's why I wanted to buy a shirt, very simple shirt which will help me a lot for my meetings. So this one is more like an investment in my wardrobe, because I'm sure I will wear it for a long time from now on. This is all from H&M, I think. And I have 2 more boxes from Mango. The first piece I really loved from Mango is this cute bag. Really loved it. It has a special shape. I've seen these type of cylindrical bags on the runways this year, and that's why I think this is a very cool purchase for the spring season of 2019, and I will have so many options to wear it. Big like. What I truly believe is that anytime you have the sales going on, try to invest in investment pieces, not only in a particular trend that maybe in about 2 months is not gonna be a trend anymore. Jacket, which is really cool. I really love the design. It's a bit oversized, but not very oversized. I'm not a really tall person, and when I'm dressing with something that's oversized, I feel like I look smaller, and I really don't like this. So when it comes to jackets, I prefer the normal length or the midi length, but I don't like to have a very chunky, bulky, oversized jacket, because I don't feel like it looks nice on me. Maybe it's just a personal choice, but this jacket, it's really cool. I love the color of the material, the quality, the length, everything. I'm sure it will be awesome for any occasion, for any festival, any event, when I want to have a casual touch.
Yeah, for the rugged, yeah. For the rugged, for the rugged, yeah. For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals.
I really wanted to buy a denim jacket for a long time, but for me it was really hard to find one that I really love, and this one is one of the best options I found in the stores in 2019, and it was on sale, which is really cool. This is a really crazy trend that's going on. Animal print. I'm not really sure about this. I will try it on. I actually never tried the animal print before, but I've seen these prints in so many stores, and I was really curious to see if I will like it or not. So I will try it on immediately with some more items. And please let me know, what do you think about my look, and if you would like to wear animal print or not, because at the moment it's kind of everywhere, so it's really hard to ignore it. The material is really soft, which is really good. Next. This is a very cool dress for the springtime. I love buying navy clothing, it's kind of my weakness, so if you are asking yourself why do I have so many navy items in my wardrobe, that's the reason. And that's why I bought this dress as well. It's an interesting shape. I feel like it would be so cool to wear it with a formal shirt, but you could wear it only with a tee and with some sneakers on, very casual. So I like the fact that it's really versatile. These are the pants that I wasn't really sure about. I'm not sure if you can see the material. I love the fact that they are having some retro vibes. I wasn't really sure about at the beginning, but I felt like it is a cool option for the summer days when you want to just throw some pants on you and leave. I'm not really sure about the sizing, but I will try them on, and I would like to have your impressions in the comments. This is not exactly for spring summer, but it's a knitted jumper and I really wanted some specifically in this color. I feel like the winter days are still here with us, so I still have plenty of time to wear this low neck. Usually the knitwear at Mango is a bit pricey, but this specific one I found it on sale and I like the color. Such a beautiful beige and it's very easy to match it with many outfits. Okay, so this was my second box. So the first pair of shoes I wanted to show you are these kitten heel shoes. I love the fact that it's sweat leather and you will be looking chic and elegant at the same time. You know, I was telling you about the light blue that will be very in this summer. That's why I bought these kitten heel shoes for my outfit. The color was the one that attracted me the most. I think I will wear them for so many times only because the heel is very small. This one is another first time for me. I never had a pair of shoes with this size of the heel. I always had very high heels, but lately I've been complaining so much about my high heels. Sometimes it's not worth it, and you can have the same effect with a pair of kitten heels like this one. What else? Oh yeah, I really needed a new pair of boots, so I bought myself these over-the-knee boots. I really loved the style, the length, everything, but I just realized they have this zipper here and I'm not sure if it will be alright for me because I ordered a smaller size, and usually you have to buy a bigger size for this type of shoes with a zipper on the back. I'm not sure if I will be able to keep them closed, but I will give them a try. Let me try them on. Exactly what I was telling you. Oh, I love them so much. These are looking even better now. I can't close the zipper, so I have to return them. Unfortunately, I think this was one of the last pairs on the stock, so I'm not sure if I will find another pair size 5, but I will start looking on the website and I will hopefully find another pair. I'm a big fan of the over-the-knee boots. I feel like these are looking always good. Alright, I made a lot of mess here. I have to start organizing my things. So this was a really good shopping session. I am really happy with all my purchases. I have to try to change my boots. Other than that, everything else I'm sure I will wear for a long time. I'm really happy with all the prices and I'm really looking forward to do this the next year as well, as I'm doing all the time, because all the time during this period of time I'm spending a lot of money and time online. So this was it with the Mango and H&M haul. This was my first haul. Hopefully it wasn't so bad. I will have some more deliveries these days, and I've already ordered some things from Topshop and Zara, so I think I will be making another haul for that. And I'm also preparing a video about trends. Thank you so much for being here and see you very shortly, guys. Bye.